If we could hold the election today, I think we would run away with it miles ahead of our opponents. Democrats, independents, even some of our Republican friends that are joining us today, are y'all ready to flip Florida blue for the first time? I believe that we're going to do it this time, y'all. Listen, you all have heard me as I have moved around this wonderful state of ours for now 21 months. And you've heard me over these last 21 months do my very best to introduce myself to you through my lived experience. Oftentimes, talking about my mother Frances, who birthed us in Jackson Hospital right down here in Miami. My mother Frances, who was a school bus driver for the Miami-Dade school system. My daddy Charles, who was a construction worker, and when my dad didn't have construction work to do, you would find him on the street corner selling fruits or vegetables to folks. On Saturday mornings, he would set his truck up in the open field across the street from the cemetery and sell flowers to bereaved families. Between my mother and father, they are the best examples of hard work that I know to this day. And I gotta tell you, I am so very honored to have my mother here with me today, Frances Gillum. Say what's up, Mom. I love her. Y'all, she's getting used to this. She's starting to give the royal wave. But y'all, we've come a long way from Richmond Heights and South Day. We now find ourselves in this moment where we sit at the precipice of something great, something transformational in our state. The opportunity to put the voices of everyday working people of our state back at the centerfold of public policy and decision making and results that come out of Tallahassee. I'm here in South Florida today to ask you for the only thing in life my mother ever told me to ask for, and that's a chance. I want a chance. I want a chance to be your next governor. I want a chance. I want a chance to get to Tallahassee as your next governor so that we can work to pay teachers what they are worth. I have to admit, I would not be standing before you, not as the mayor of Tallahassee, Florida, and certainly not as the Democratic nominee for governor of the state of Florida, were it not for those teachers, those individuals who work overtime on my behalf. They poured into me, they encouraged me, they inspired me to do the work that I felt that I couldn't get done by myself. They encouraged me to reach beyond my limitations. They poured into me, just as they pour into our young people every day of the week. And in the absence of our parents, these are the people who are responsible for the shaping, the molding, the inspiring, and the cultivating of the minds of our most precious gifts, our children. And that's why we gotta pay them a wage that they can live on, along with all of our support to make that possible. I want a chance to be a governor who will go to Tallahassee and will actually believe in science. Because we've become so used under Red Tide Rick of denying the science, the fact that global warming and climate change is a real thing. When you live in the state of Florida and you're surrounded by water on three sides, you better believe it's a real thing. I want a chance. I want a chance to go to Tallahassee and achieve real criminal justice reform. I want to reform where once you have paid your debt to society and you get out and you re-enter our communities. In my opinion, you ought to have your right to vote. You ought to have your constitutional right to vote. But not just that, though. You also ought to be able to get out and have your right to work. Your right to earn a living for yourself and your family. And when we win this race, we're going to reform the criminal justice system in such a way that gives people live an opportunity and makes our state a safer state in the process. When we win this race for governor, we're going to have a governor who will work to expand Medicaid for over 800,000 of the most medically people in our state. I like that. It is not only important that we expand Medicaid for those who don't have access to insurance, it's important that we do it for those of us who do, who want to be able to see healthcare expanded, but also have some predictability around our insurance rates that are increasing year over year over year, largely because these folks are getting access to healthcare in our emergency rooms. We can do better than that, y'all, and when we win this race, we will do better than that. We will do better. I want a chance to go to Tallahassee and to take on the NRA that their time of wanting Tallahassee has come to an end. That the value of our children's lives are worth us standing up for that. No parent ought to have to send their kid to school worried about whether or not they will pick them up alive or in a body bag. No parent. No neighborhood deserves to be so ravaged by the violence and the everyday violence that pervades too many of our neighborhoods that you can't let your kids play outside. That is not acceptable. We can respect the Second Amendment and at the same time protect our families. And it's just this simple. If you want to live with the power of God at your waist belt, you ought to have a background check.
That's right.
If you are a convicted domestic violence abuser, you should not have access to weapons. You can if you want to shoot a gun that can fire off 60 bullets in 60 seconds, you ought to join the military. Opportunities to tell the people of this state what he wanted to do for them. Instead, he was so quick to get my name out there that it was the only thing coming out of his mouth. Well, I'm flattered, y'all, but the people of the state of Florida deserve to hear what he wants to do for us. And unfortunately, he failed the test that is most important, and that is he couldn't be honest with you. He couldn't level with you about what he wants to do. He couldn't let you know that he voted over a dozen times to repeal Obamacare. He couldn't tell you that. Well, y'all, we have an opportunity to send Mr. DeSantis and Mr. Trump both a message on the percent. Let me get some more on that. We have a chance to send them an unapologetic message. Right? One that will not confuse them. That their brand of politics is no longer acceptable in the state of Florida. That my wife and I, we're going to put everything we have into this. I'm so proud to be joined on this mission by the woman who is definitely and without a doubt the women in my veins. She's here today. Mayor Andrew Gillum. Please stand up. If you don't like me, vote for me because she could be your first lady. We've traveled to red counties, to blue counties, to purple counties. We've seen crowds where we didn't have room enough to hold everybody. Putnam County, Clay County, Charlotte County, Escambia County. We've been all over this state, y'all. And the reason why we've gone to some of these counties, these deep red counties, because I want them to know that I want to be their governor too.
Yes!
I want them to know that when I'm elected governor, I'm going to be a governor for all of the people of the state of Florida. And so I want you to know that none of this will be possible unless we do our jobs. None of it. We can't just tweet about it, Facebook about it, Snapchat about it, and not be about it. And what does it mean to be about it? It means